I'm sharing my screen. Next scenario is second scenario, asset purchased without vendor. Asset purchased without vendor, cash purchases. Asset purchased without vendor, cash purchases. First step, create main asset. Create main asset master building. Create main asset master building. Create main asset master building. AS01. AS01. Asset class LTEL2. LTEL2. Company code LTEL. Number of similar assets 1. Enter. Enter. Office building 2. Office building 2. Units of measure EA. Units of measure EA each. EA. Depreciation area tab. Depreciation area tab. Depreciation key LTE1. LTE1. Useful life 20 years. Useful life 20 years. Save. Save. Observe the message. Asset 2 all zeros 2 created. Asset 2 all zeros 2 created. Right, sir? Yes. Next step. Asset purchased without vendor. Asset purchased without vendor. ABZON Abzon. ABZON Abzon. Date 15/4/2022. Date 15/4/2022. Amount 5 lakh. Amount 5 lakh. Amount 5 lakh. Please note down the path. SAP menu. Accounting. SAP menu. Accounting. Financial accounting. Fixed assets. Financial accounting. Fixed assets. Postings. Fixed assets. Postings. Acquisition. 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 External acquisition. External asset external acquisition. ABZON. Acquisition with automatic offsetting entry. Acquisition with automatic offsetting entry. ABZON. Transaction code is ABZON. Select existing asset. Select existing asset. 2 all zeros to existing asset. This is our asset, right? Just now we created existing asset 2 all zeros to sub number 0, sub number 0, date 15/4/2022, date 15/4/2022, document date, posting date, asset value date, document date, posting date, asset value date, amount 5 lakh, amount 5 lakh, quantity 1, quantity 1, quantity 1, EA, 1 EA, 1 building, text, text, asset purchased without vendor, cash purchases, purchased without vendor, cash purchases, click on additional details tab, click on additional details tab, offsetting account number, offsetting account number, blank, blank. If this field is blank, if this field is blank, then program will pick up the GL account from, then program will pick up the GL account from AO90, AO90, program will pick up from AO90, cash clearing account, cash clearing account 7 lakh, cash clearing account to 7 lakh. Or if you maintain GL account manually here, if you maintain GL account manually here, then program will consider this account. Then program will consider this account this account, it will not consider the AO90 account. It will not consider the, or it should not consider the AO90 account. Okay. AO90. Just observe AO90. Account to determination course LTE2, right? See, whatever account you assigned here, contra account 7 lakh you assigned, right? It will pick up that account now if you simulate. See, debit asset account to credit cash flow. What is the general entry? If you procure asset, okay, if you procure the asset, accounting entry is debit asset account, credit vendor account, credit vendor account. But here we are not procuring directly from vendor, we are procuring without vendor. Without vendor case accounting entry, cash purchase is simple: debit asset account, credit cash account. This is the entry. Okay, here credit cash account, if offsetting field is blank, if offsetting field is blank during the transaction posting, then it will pick up the GL account from AO90. It will pick up from AO90. Example, if you enter some value here, if you enter some value LT, if you enter some value, example, I am entering material account. Okay, example, here it will post to material account, debit asset account, credit material account. If you enter any GL in during your posting, then program will consider that account is a final. It will not go to AO90, right? It will stop here itself. If the field is blank, then program will pick up the GL account from backend. See, it is picking from backend. Okay. Offsetting account blank, click on simulate button, observe the accounting entry, debit asset account to credit cash account, debit asset account to credit cash account, click on post, observe document posted, Next step is display asset master data, along with values, AS03, asset number to all zeros 2, press enter. Asset number to all zeros 2, press enter. You can note down. Observe the asset capitalization date, acquisition year, quantity, ordinary depreciation start date, etc. Observe asset capitalization date, acquisition year, quantity, ordinary depreciation start date, etc. Note down this. APC value 5 lakh, useful life 20 years, per year ordinary depreciation 25,000. This year NBV is 4,75,000. Per period planned depreciation 2,083. Right, sir? See here, sir, asset values, observe the same. So how to check already you are aware. Okay, here planned values, APC value, current year ordinary depreciation, net book value, posted values for period 2083, right? Total physical year 25,000. If you compare, we are using useful life 25,000 every month. Next to 20 years, right? Yes. Next one is display asset report. Display asset report. S underscore ALR underscore 870-11963. S underscore ALR underscore 870-11963. Company code LTEL. Asset number 2 all zeros 2. Sub number 0. Physical year end date 31/03/2023. Execute. Same thing will update here also. See, this is acquisition value, this is ordinary depreciation, net book value year end. Here you can go to layout, add additional fields, whatever you want. Okay, see here sorting. We have other fields also. Right, sir? We completed first scenario. Next one, case 2. That is case 1. Case 2. Create asset master data. Create asset master data and post without vendor. Create asset master data and post without vendor purchase in single transaction, in same transaction, in same transaction, in same transaction. In same transaction. ABZON. 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 Date 15/4/2022. Amount 6 lakhs. Without creation, sir. Earlier we followed first AS01, we created the asset, and after that we purchased the asset. First we created, once asset number is available, then we purchase the asset, right? Now, without asset master creation, in single transaction, I am going to create the asset as well as posting the transaction. Okay? Transaction code is ABZON. Sir, earlier we selected the existing asset option, right? Now select new asset. ABZON. Select new asset. Description. Office building. 2A. Office building 2A. Office building 2A. Any idea what is our asset class? LTEL2. Asset class LTEL2. Document date 15/4/2022. Posting date 15/4/2022. Asset value date 15/4/2022. 3 dates. I am using the same date 15/4/2022. 6 lakhs. Amount 6 lakhs. Quantity 1 EA. Quantity 1 EA. Text asset purchased without vendor. Asset purchased without vendor. Cash purchases. So now click on master data. Click on master data. Click on master data. Click on additional data. Click on additional data. Observe asset creation fields. Right, sir? This is asset creation field. Asset creation screen. Right? General data. Observe the general data. Observe the general data. Select depreciation areas tab. Select depreciation areas tab. Depreciation key LTE1. Useful life 20 years. Useful life 20 years. Click on back. Click on back. Press enter. Press enter. Sir, what is asset number now? System, during the save, if you click the save button, it will create internally. Program will check the what is the next number. Okay, that next number will create. Click on simulate. Click on simulate. Observe the accounting entry in simulation. Observe the accounting entry in simulation. Post. Observe the accounting entry in simulation. Post. See here, sir. Observe the message. Observe the message. Asset to all zeros 3 created. Asset to all zeros 3 created. And posted the capitalization. And posted the capitalization. Right, sir. Next step. Display asset master data along with values. AS03, AW01N. Asset number 2 all zeros 3. Asset number 2 all zeros 3. Press enter. Press enter. Observe asset capitalization date, acquisition year. Asset capitalization date, acquisition year, quantity, ordinary depreciation start date, etc. Ordinary depreciation start date, etc. Okay. Next, you can note down this. Click on asset values. Observe below. Click on asset values. Observe below. Click on asset values. Observe below. APC 6 lakhs, 20 years, ordinary depreciation per year 30,000, NBV 5 lakh 70,000, per period depreciation 2,500. Right, sir? Yeah. Just observe, click on asset values. APC is a 6 lakhs, 30,000 is a depreciation, and 5 lakh 70,000 is the ordinary depreciation. Per period depreciation is 2,500. Complete year 30,000. Right? Comparison. We are using useful life method. Next to 20 years, 30,000, 30,000 is a depreciation. Following, right? Yes. We completed asset procurement without vendor, cash purchases. Next scenario. Scenario number 3. Asset sale with customer. Asset sale with the customer. First step, create asset master data and capitalize the asset. Create asset master data and capitalize the asset. Example 1 and example 2. You can use anything, sir. Okay. Either already we tested. Either create first asset and next to capitalize, or directly use the observed transaction and create and capitalize. Right? One is example 1. First create asset master, then capitalize, or directly use the ABZON transaction, create the asset as well as capitalize. Following, right? Anything is same. Both are same. Okay, I will use the ABZON. I will use ABZON. You can note down this too. You can note down this too. Use second capitalization process. Use second capitalization process. Master data. Create asset master data and post without vendor purchase. Post without vendor purchase. ABZON. ABZON. Date 15/4/2022. 15/4/2022. Amount 7 lakhs. Amount 7 lakhs. right? ABZON. Select new asset. Select new asset. Description office building 3. Office building 3. Asset class LTEL2. Asset class LTEL2. Document date, posting date, asset value date, 15/4/2022, 15/4/2022, amount posted, 7 lakh, 1 EA, 1 EA, text, asset purchased without vendor. This is transaction information. Next. Click on master data. Click on master data. Click on master data. Click on additional data. Click on additional data. General data, no changes. General data, no changes. Select depreciation areas tab. Select depreciation areas tab. Depreciation key LTE1. Useful life 5 years. Useful life 5 years. Click on back. Click on back. Enter. Click on simulate button. Click on simulate button. Post. Click on simulate and post. Observe the message. Asset to all zeros 4 created. Asset to all zeros 4 created and capitalized. And capitalized. Next one, display asset master data along with values. Display asset master data along with values. Sir, accounting entry same, debit asset account to credit cash account. Display asset master data along with values. AS03 AW01N. Asset to all zeros 4. Asset to all zeros 4. Asset to all zeros 4. Enter. Enter. Observe asset capitalization date, acquisition year, quantity, depreciation start date, etc. Observe asset capitalization date, acquisition year, quantity, ordinary depreciation start date, etc. Click on asset values. Click on asset values. Observe below. APC value 7 lakh, life 5 years per year. 1,40,000 depreciation. NBV 5,60,000 per period 11,666. Right, sir? Just observe asset values. Okay. APC value, ordinary depreciation, NBV. Okay. Posted values per period depreciation, comparison. 5 years, within 5 years it is completely depreciated. Why? Because useful life is 5 years only, right? And if you want to check the accounting entry, just double click debit, asset account to credit cash account, right? Next, asset sale. No. After 8 months usage, sale the asset in 9th month. After 8 months usage, sale the asset in bracket building in 9th month. Okay. Step number 3, asset sale with customer. Asset sale with customer, F-92. F-92. You can note down the path. Up to posting same path. Retirement with revenue. F-92 with customer. F-92 with customer. You can note down this, just observe first, sir. After 8 months usage, sell the above asset to local customer. Okay. Here, what is the sales date? Sales date is 05/12/2022. 05/12/2022. Sales amount is 6,50,000. What is our asset value? Asset value is 7 lakhs. Useful life is 5 years. Per year depreciation equal to 1,40,000, right? 1,40,000 per period depreciation equal to 11,666. So this asset, how many months we used? 8 months. Okay, depreciation 8 months we used. 8 months depreciation. Okay, depreciation multiply 8 months equal to 93,000 rupees is the depreciation. Now before sales, what is your value? Before sales, my value is 6,06,000. 6,06,000. My asset value before sales. My asset value is 6,06,000. But I am selling this asset 6,50,000. Okay. Currently, my asset value is 6,06,000. 6,06,000. This asset I am selling to 6,50,000. Whether loss or gain? Gain, right? I am selling extra amount. My asset value is 6 lakhs. Example. My asset value is 6 lakhs, but I am selling 6,50,000. This 50,000 is a gain. Okay, gain. Yeah. This 50,000 is a gain. Right, sir? Same similar here, just observe. Asset sale amount is 6 lakhs 50,000. Asset APC value is 7 lakh. Per period depreciation 11,000. Before sales, before sales, accumulated depreciation for 8 months. How much? 93,000. 93,000. Asset, sale asset, sale asset, NBV value. Okay, sale asset, NBV value is 6 lakhs 6,066. 666. 6 lakhs 6,666. APC value minus accumulated depreciation. Okay, APC value minus accumulated depreciation equal to, this is the value. Okay, NBV. NBV equal to APC value minus accumulated depreciation equal to, this is the value. And this value asset, okay, this value asset we are selling to 6,50,000. Difference between sales amount and book value 43,000. This is asset sale on profit. Asset sale on profit. Okay, please note down this. Note down this. Complete note down. And here accounting entry will be first manual entry. Debit the customer account. What is the sales entry? Debit customer account to credit sales account. What is the sales value? 6,50,000, 6,50,000. Right? And subsequently it will generate one more entry. This entry will generate from back end A090. Accounting entry is, we are selling asset, right? Asset is moving from us. Okay, asset is moving from out. Okay, in case of goes out, what is the, as per accounting rule, credit building account. See here, credit building account. How much is 7 lakh? And this 7 lakh already we used 8 months. This 8 months depreciation is, debit the accumulated depreciation 93,000. Okay, and debit the asset sale 7 lakh asset we are selling to 6,50,000, and the difference between debit minus credit equal to profit. Okay, you can note down, complete this. If you have any doubts, please ask, sir. This is important, 100%. If you are attending any interview, definitely they will ask the what is the sales entry. Why? Because here we have the two entries. One is a manual and other one is automatic. Okay, total 6 line items. During the explanation, we will confuse what is a debit, what is credit. Instead of debit, you will tell credit. Instead of credit, you may tell the debit. That's why please remember this entry, and during the explanation carefully tell the accounting entry. Right? Done, right, sir? Done, right? F dash 92. F dash 92. Date 05/12/2022. 05/12/2022. Document type DR. Company code LTEL. Posting date 05/12/2022. Header is same, sir. Just note down the date 05/12/2022. First line item posting key 01. Account customer account. 81 all zeros local customer. 81 all zeros local customer. Sir, what is the manual entry? Manual entry first line item is a customer line item. Second line item is asset sale line item. Asset sale is a GL. GL credit posting key is 50. Okay, we are selling how much amount? What is the sold amount? Sales amount is 6,50,000. Sales amount 6,50,000. Text. Asset sale with customer. Asset sale with customer. Next line item posting key 50. Next line item posting key 50. GL account. Any idea what is the GL? $354,001 asset sale account. 354,001 asset sale account. 354,001 asset sale account. Enter. Amount star. Text plus. Amount star text plus. Press enter. Observe the asset retirement checkbox. Observe the asset retirement checkbox. Select. Observe the asset retirement checkbox. Select. Press enter. Press enter. Sir, here we have to select which asset we are going to retire. Which asset we are selling. That asset number select here. Okay. Whatever asset you are selling, select that asset number here. Okay. 2 all zeros. 4. Select asset number 2 all zeros 4. Select transaction type 210. Retirement with revenue. Retirement with revenue. Asset value date. When we are selling, sir? What is the date? Which date we are selling? Asset value date 05/12/2022. Sir, here we can retire either fully or partially. Example, I have 2 buildings. Out of 2 buildings, I am selling 1. That is partial, right? Not full. Out of 2 buildings, I am selling 2 buildings. Then that is complete retirement, full retirement. Okay, here I am selling complete retirement, full retirement. If full, then select complete retirement. If full, select complete retirement. Select complete retirement checkbox. Sir, if you are selling partially, partially. Example, in case of partial quantity, specify quantity out of 2, 1 quantity. Example, I have 100 buildings. Out of 100 buildings, I am selling 2 buildings. Specify 2 here. Okay? Percentage basis. Example, out of 100%, I am selling only 40% asset. Out of 100%, I am selling 80% asset. Okay? Next one, out of 7 lakh, I am selling only 2 lakh asset, 3 lakh asset, 6 lakh asset. Any partial case, use this either amount partial, quantity partial, or percentage partial. This scenario is a full scenario. In case of full, select complete retirement. Right? Following right, sir? Sometimes, if this checkbox is not appearing here, then how to bring this checkbox here? Sir, sometimes during your practice, okay, you will face this issue. Okay, during the practice, I am not able to see this checkbox. Without this checkbox, I cannot enter this information, right? Then this checkbox is mandatory now. How can I bring this checkbox here? Sorry? Good. Field status group. Okay. Whatever field status group we selected under this GL account. Okay. This GL is a source. This GL level, whatever field status group we selected, that field status group level, either select asset retirement required option or optional option. Right? If you select hide, then it will not display